Carlsbad Community Anti-Drug and Gang Coalition. I'm here today to talk to you about proper disposal of your household medications. With the pandemic in place right now, it might be harder to find ways to dispose of your medication, and we want to stress the importance of keeping on top of that because you have more people in your homes. There's times when you're not home and people might be coming in your homes, friends, family, kids, so it's real important to keep track of that and dispose of your old medications. We have several locations around the community where you can take them to dispose of them. Carlsbad Police Department has a disposal bin, and it's located on the inside of the CSA on Halloween Street. There's also a disposal bin located by the pharmacy at Walgreens on Pierce Street. The Coalition provides easy at-home disposal options for your at-home medications. We provide these Deterra bags. It's very simple to do. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, you open the bag, you drop your medications in. 2, fill it halfway full with warm water. You seal your bag and you wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, 3, drop it in your garbage and you're good to go. It's very important not to flush your medications because those do make it into the water system. So there's other options that you can use to dispose of your medications. If you need more information on this, please refer to Unit 5 on household prescription disposal. Thank you.